Hi everyone, today we will talk about inheritance in object-oriented programming. If you have any query regarding class methods and object, you can visit the previous videos. Let's start. Here we will create an student marks class that inherit from the student class and has additional attributes student marks. So basically in inheritance, we create the another class also known as child class that inherit all the properties from this parent class and also have some additional attributes in it. So here we will create the class named as student marks parentheses and then column. So to inherit all the property of parent class, we will add the parent class name student. So basically we want the student name, age and student marks. So we have student name and age in parent class, but we don't have student marks. So here we create object. So def underscore underscore init underscore underscore parenthesis our connection line name age and then student marks. Name and age are already given in parent class, and this child class inherit all the properties from parent class. So here we will add only the additional attribute student marks. So self dot student marks is student marks. So to get access of name and age, we will use the special keyword super parenthesis dot underscore underscore init underscore underscore, and here we will add all the values we want to access. So here name and then age. Here we create the object, let's say student complete data. Here our class and then student name, let's say Arjun, then student marks, let's say 495, and age 29. Now if we print it, then print student complete data dot name, print student complete data dot age, and then print student complete data dot student marks. And if we run it, then we have complete data of the student name Arjun, his marks 495 and then age 29.